Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle. Today I am back with another video. So today I'm straightening Gabriela. You guys asked me before if I would do it and I was like no, but I'm gonna do it so you don't have to ruin yours. Keep in mind, once this hair is straight, it's not gonna look like this once you wash it. You will have to put some curlers or flexi rods in it and dip it in hot water for it to look like this again. So I've had this wig I put it right here. This is not an update or anything. I'm just simply doing this because you guys asked. So I'm gonna start with brushing it out with this brush. So I'm starting off at the ends and I'm just gonna work my way on up. So this is completely brushed out and then this is the not brushed out side. So I think I'm gonna just do one side at a time. By the way, there's no baby hair out. I did say in my other review I don't like wearing it without my baby hair because of the way it looks. So now it's time to flat iron. I'm using this flat iron from Hair School. It's not really special or great and it doesn't even work that well, but I'm gonna use it. I have it on about 375, 380, and I'm not gonna do anything special, just flat iron. So this is how it looks straight. I turned my heat down to about 350. It didn't need a lot of heat. I did one pass for the most part, two here and there. Running my fingers through the ends, it started to catch more after I straightened it. Not too sure why, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and I'm gonna have to give myself like 1 or 2 baby hair because I don't like the way this looks, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so this is how Gabriela looks completely flat iron. This will be my last video of her. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments, or you can always DM me on Instagram with arielle_. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.